Okay, today we're going to be talking about how to replace the bottle side sensor for an error code 2404150. It is a sensor issue that pops up on the Alaris 8100. It's been popping up very frequently. What you will see is checked air come across the Alaris pump itself, and on the PCU, it will give you the error code for which one you're actually needing to repair. When you put the unit together, it will come on and it will constantly beep. Now, you will also get a check IV set that will not go away, that is also the same error code for this. If you replace it, it gets rid of the check IV set and the channel error code that keeps popping up continuously and alarming the Alaris pump itself. First, you disassemble the unit from the PCU. You have to take out this screw here and these two black pins in the back. I find it easiest to use a flathead screwdriver to take the pins out in the back. If you do it, you kind of rotate it underneath the pin's head and push it up until you get it up. You use the needle nose to grab hold of it and pull it out so you don't lose it, and you just sit it off to the side, and you do the same for this one here. Now you can use the flathead or the needle nose to get this door to come up. You use the piece in the middle there as a little bit of a lever to pop it free, and the door is off. You want to pull this Phillips head screw here out. It's a short screw. Use the needle nose to grab it so you don't lose it, because it's a really small screw, and when it comes out you might drop it somewhere. Now on this part, it's pretty much user preference, but I like the needle nose, and you grab that lip there and you just kind of pull up, and as you pull up on it, it separates the membrane from the unit itself, and you just kind of work your way around so you can get it out, and it pops free. Now, this is the sensor here that you're replacing for that error code or the check IV set. Put the Phillips head screw down in there, and you pop it up like that there, and you can use your hand from that point to pull it free to replace. I grab this connector with the needle nose so I can make sure that it comes free without yanking anything out, and that's replacing the sensor. That's removing the sensor. Now replacing the sensor, it is just the same thing in reverse. You take the connector and you hold it there and you drop it right into it, and then once they're together, you just push it back down in there and it reseats itself. Now with this, you can totally go here with the membrane and you just kind of push it back down in there. Make sure it levels out all the way around, and then you push the black pin back down in with your finger. Now with the door, top first, then the bottom. You take the back piece here and you just push it back down in there with your hand. Now, your Phillips screw, I use the needle nose to put it back down in there so I don't drop it anywhere. And that's in. If you use the needle nose to drop these back in, it's a lot easier than trying to force them back in with your hand into that small area. And they just push all the way back down in, and they're flush.
Somewhere. There's one right here.
Was it just an extra case?
Yeah, it's a TCU, it's a repair part. Somebody looking for a charger?
All right, and that's the unit put back together.